Hello दोस्तों, welcome to One with AI channel. So today we are going to demo or show you how you create music within a minute. Okay, so what you need, you have to go to MusicCreator.ai platform, and then when you sign up with your email ID, you have to just go to the AI music tool. You see there are many options you have. So I have to create a music. Okay, so let's create music now, and it will take you this page where you have two options. One is the prompt, where you describe your song idea and then add mood or tone, like you want folk, classical, hip hop. Okay, and then click generate music, or you go to the on lyrics. Okay, add title, this is optional, and add lyrics. So I already have a famous uh, song lyrics, which is for from Dhurandhar movie. I hope you knows. And let's paste this. So this is an English version. Okay, and add title. For example, my song. Okay, and now we have to add style. So because this is a little bit hip hop, so click on hip hop. Okay, and then we have Uh, what we have the mood is little energetic. Click here and see if we have any option. Okay, let's make it inspiring. And then if we go to the, okay, we already added inspiring. Let's go to the instrument, and instrument we have make guitar, saxophone, bass, generic mood, hip hop. Okay, now it's good now, and let's click on the create generate music. Okay, so what it does, it detect the two credits. Okay, and it give you the two separate tracks of the music where you can listen. Okay, so I already created a few demo, like you see here. Okay, till now, okay, it's generating now. So let's click on this,
Yeah,
and you are able to
yeah.
listen the song, and
Hey, Walla.
I hope you
Hi.
enjoy this. Okay,
Yup, bro. Step it up. The vibe is heavy. Yup, bro. Move it fast. This dance is deadly. Yup, bro. Step again. Feel the pressure. Yup,
good
bro.
luck.
Spin it out. All up your pleasure. I got the powerful move. Habibi, they call us a boo. Our destiny chose me. Stretch your hand like you're giving a beat. Shake your shoulders. Stay sharp. Stay elite. Give me that warrior motion. Add a little
Okay,
spice to the
now
emotion. For the
let's
honor ones
see.
we know. Happiness flows in devotion.
Let's go back.
Kids yelling, dance with fire. Someone bring the drum, take it higher. Hit the
Here
road, turn
this no
left, don't
lyrics.
tire. Come
So I hope you enjoy the music. I upload this music separately. Okay, so that you guys listen and give the feedback. But you see that by clicking the few buttons, put some prompts, and you're able to create a tune, good music. Okay, you can use this tool for creating the music or the tunes for your YouTube channel, to your project, to the reels or the social media platform. Okay, I hope you enjoy this, and if you need any further assistance or any question you have, just comment it down. I'll add link for this tool, so that you can go and click on that link, sign up, and you can start creating the music for you. Okay, so let's like, share, and subscribe my channel. Earn when you earn with AI, and drop a comment. Okay, give if you like it, if you don't like it. Okay, but I can improve in my videos so that you can get more, and which next AI tool which you want to see on my channel. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.